Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you one of Mattel's very first discontinued dolls, the Spectra dolls from 1986 to 87, and this is AstraGold, the greatest party giver in the galaxy. As you can see, she has a chrome body and very lazy, and the tagline is "Lazy Spacey out of this world." There is also a storybook inside. I will look at it later. This is the whole set: Ultraviolet, Styla Blue, Spectra, Tom Comet, and AstraGold, which is one I have. Tom Comet is the Ken doll. It's like this is supposed to be Barbie, more or less. And these are. There's also a dog that resembles R2-D2 in a way. I wonder, there was also furniture, and I've never seen them in real life. Okay, this one was from 87. Okay, I read it out loud because these are quite rare, so I wanted to show the collectors. So, I have unboxed this one before, so it's not the first time, but I keep it in the package because they break very easily. They are very hard to find because they are so easily broken in the joints, and they don't bend here. It looks like they will, but they won't. Maybe they had plans for it before, but they don't bend. They are like dipped in a chrome color, and well, the chrome color made it very easy for them to break, so they are not jointed in the feet either, even if it looks like that. So these are the shoes. Very cute. They remind of what's they called, Lady Lovelock's shoes. And she has nice dimples, hearts, glitter hair. She's very cute. Oh, the rubber bands broke. It's a very old doll. Is this the collector card then? It's just something you could cut out of a magazine, but it's cute. And here is the booklet. I won't read everything. Maybe Buffertron bed. Oh, that's cute. Space lace fashions. Okay, they have fashions too. That's good. Fashions, and I really would have wanted this dog, the Spark dog. These were really cool. This was like the space trend in the 80s, and they were discontinued quite fast. This was what was released, and this is the comb. I think there might be the same comb to Lady Lovelock's as well. I'm not sure. This one is yellow. She has yellow panties on underneath, printed, and otherwise she is chrome. And it's a very cool doll to own. It's a very cool doll to own. I wish I had the rest because I got this one quite cheap. So, and the person who sold them, she actually sold some of the others as well, but I didn't have enough to spend for these kinds of things at the time, so I only got one. She was like $18 or something, but it was a really good catch to get her for $18, 18 euros maybe I should say. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and please watch another video of mine if you want to. It will help me out a lot, and please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye. This is AstraGold. You know you're someone special if you get an invitation to a party given by AstraGold. Her parties are the greatest in the galaxy. Before you join in the fun, you gotta learn the shimmer on shuffle. It's easy. Here now. Put your favorite dance music, take 2 steps forward, 2 steps back, and kick your right leg in the air and repeat. Practice before the party, and Tom Comet may ask you to be his partner. AstraGold sure knows how to have a dusting good time. Her favorite food, spaceships and dip. Favorite pastime, making new Earth friends. Hong Kong, 1987, Mattel Inc. Free shimmer and travel kit details inside. Meet the shimmerers. There are 5 gleaming, beaming teenage friends from the planet Shimmer. What on earth are they doing there? Well, Spectra want to discover why the planet Earth is the #1 for teenage fun and show you how fun is done to the planet Shimmeron. Here on Earth, the Shimmerons are discovering skateboard, hot dogs, rock music, and shopping malls. Wherever the Shimmerons go, they're a glittering sensation. Introduce the Shimmerons to the latest trends on Earth. They surprise you with their own Shimmeron space magic that's out of this world. AstraGold. She's the greatest party giver in the galaxy. Her Shimmeron style parties are always the hit on Earth. With shimmer shine hair, glitter makeup, colorful shiny body, lazy Shimmeron fashion, and Shimmeron collector card.